Hi guys, it's mango season and what better way to enjoy mangoes than making this lush creamy mango ice cream that you can make with few ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. So this mango ice cream is so lush, creamy and nice, and all you need is one whole mango. Yes, depending on the variety, just go with the mango you prefer, the variety of mango you like. Cut that open to remove the fleshy part because you don't want the peel. After that, I'm going to puree the fleshy part with my butcher mix puree maker. I don't know what to call that particular component of the butcher mix, but it is part of the 12-in-1 food processor. Now look at that, it just makes everything easy. After pureeing, the next thing you're going to do is to run this puree through a fine sieve. Reason for this is you're trying to avoid all the veins and the mango fruit, from getting into your ice cream, because honestly speaking, to get that lush creamy ice cream, you will need everything to be well smooth and well strained. Let me use that word, strained. So I'm gonna strain my pulp just like you're seeing to get this puree. It is smooth, it is nice, and it is ready to go. Now in the mixing bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of chilled or cold whipping cream, just like that, and using my Wix attachment from the 12-in-1 food processor, butcher mix food processor, I'm going to whisk this until I get soft as peaks. As you can see, it is getting thicker and thicker as I whip. Now the next thing you're going to do is going with sweetened condensed milk. I use 3/4 cups. You can also use half cup if you want it less sweet, but this is just perfect for me. After adding the condensed milk, you're going to go in with half cup of full cream milk. If you don't have liquid milk, you can just dissolve powdered milk in water and use that instead. Now go in with your mango puree just like that and whisk everything one more time until everything is well mixed and incorporated. Once everything is well mixed, next thing you're going to do is to use a spatula or something like that. Just give it one stir one last time. Then you're going to pour this in a container and then pop it in the freezer to freeze for 6 hours. At the last minute, I decided to add more diced mango chunks because I had way more mangoes in the house. But you can totally omit this step. Now cover and refrigerate this for 6 hours. This is what it looks like overnight because I slept and didn't really check after 6 hours. So this is the next day in the morning. All you need to do now is get your ice cream scoop and scoop your ice cream. You can put this in a cone or you can serve it in a very nice glass cup or whatever. You can just put spoon and enjoy it like that if you don't have any fancy glass jar. But then if you want to serve this to your guests, I will advise you serve this in a glass jar, especially if you're serving this to adults. And this is how you make mango ice cream. It is lush, it is creamy, it is nice, it has the right amount of sweetness. It is just everything. If you're a mango lover, this is your cue to try this mango ice cream recipe, and I will see you in my next one. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on my other social media platforms as Chef Amos. I will see you in my next one. Bye.